everybody. I'm Cheryl Hamilton with Create with Cheryl. Have you purchased a kit from Stampin' Up! Yet? Well, today I want to show you one of my favorite kits. It's called Handmade and Heartfelt. So stay tuned and I'll show you everything that's in this neat kit. So here's what you get when you open up your kit. Okay, you're going to get a stamp set. Hello, sunshine. Happy birthday. Thanks so much. Thinking of you. To, from, and wishing you the best. So it's got lots of different, it covers a lot of different things. The Stampin' Spot, or the little ink, is Secret Sea, which is one of my favorite colors. It's very nice. Okay, in your kit, this has, it makes 10 cards, 2 each of 5 designs, and with the envelopes, and they're always really good quality, nice and sturdy. The colors are really pretty: Lost Lagoon, Crumb Cake, Petal Pink, and Secret Sea. You're also going to get a little block in here that you need to use when you're, you put your stamps, you know, they kind of stick onto the block. And then these little things are glue dots. Those are your adhesives. I use the Take Your Pick tool and just grab the sharp end on here. When to use these, you just grab the little dot and place it where you want it, and then you just kind of go like this and get rid of the dot that was on top, and then this part is sticky. Okay, so that's how you can use these to use, you know, to glue things together. It takes longer. The nice thing about this is you can grab the whole box and go to a hotel room or camping or whatever, and everything's in here that you need. But if you're going to get kits, I would recommend that you purchase our multi-purpose liquid glue, because it's just faster. So that if you're going to do some crafting, I would get one of these, and I'll put the link to it in the description below. Okay, let me see. I guess that's about it. There's instructions in here. This is one of the best parts, is the organizer box. So I'll show you what's, I'll show you what it looks like when it's put together. Okay, I love the box. It's super sturdy, and I know I'll be using it, putting cards and different things in here. It would be nice to use with my paper pumpkin kits when I get them, because I can just put the envelopes, card bases in here, and then just throw the embellishments, and you know, they always come with fun little things, and I could put these in the smaller compartments. The cost of this kit is $32. So I forgot to tell you that. Here's the cards I made. So like this, I just like the colors. This one's really fun, and yeah, you can see they're just they're simple but really pretty. I've added like Wink Stella in these because a little bit of sparkle always adds a lot. So I'll put that in the description also, because I really like it. Here's another. You'll get 2 of these. And this one, again, I've added sparkle. You can see it there with my Wink Stella. And here's one more. Isn't that cute? I sparkled the little birds in the heart. And then the envelopes are they're all just like this. Okay, so it's a great kit, and you can use it for, a lot of them could be for men or women or kids. Let me see. You get some things that are punched out. I had a few left over here just so you can see, you know, some different things. I think that's it. I'm going to have a class with this where we're all just going to have kits and put them together, because it's always more fun to craft together. The class is Monday, October 20th at 10 a.m. at my house in Haiku, Maui. And so please RSVP by October 17th. Yeah, anyway, hope you guys think about getting this kit. It's very cute. And they make really great gifts too. If you're thinking about giving a gift to someone, everything's included in this, so it works well for beginner stampers. Okay, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure and subscribe for more card making videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you'll give this kit a try. Aloha.